So this is how you can transfer ownership on Discord. So as you can see, I'm currently in my server, and what we're going to want to do is tap on that general thing or whatever the name of your channel is at the top. This will show the list of members in your server. So as you can see, I'm currently the only one, so we're going to be testing on our own account. But you can do this on any other account, like on the person you want to transfer ownership to. So you're going to want to tap on their profile, and here you should see these three dots at the top right. Simply tap on it, and you should see a transfer ownership thing or button that you can press on, and I'm pretty sure it's color red instead of the normal white. But yeah, it's going to be there, and once you tap on it, you'll be able to transfer full ownership to them, and basically, yeah, you're no longer gonna have access to moderator roles or anything because you've transferred your ownership towards them. But if you can't see it there, you can just go on ahead and go to the setting of your server, tap on settings, there we go, and then tap on members, and here you can transfer ownership towards them by tapping on their profile. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.